Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you 2 easy and effective ways to remove hair dye from your clothes using things you probably already have at home. Method 1, using dish soap and vinegar. This is a great method for most fabrics and is generally pretty gentle. Blot, don't rub. If the hair dye stain is fresh, grab that clean cloth and blot up as much excess dye as you can. Mix your magic potion. In your bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of dish soap with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Give it a quick whisk to mix it well. Dip your sponge into the mixture and gently dab it onto the stain. Remember to work from the outside of the stain towards the center to avoid spreading. After dabbing the stain, use your clean cloth to blot up the cleaning solution. Then, rinse the area with cold water to remove any leftover soap and vinegar. Wash as usual. Hopefully the hair dye stain is gone. Method 2, using hydrogen peroxide. Test on a hidden seam first. Hydrogen peroxide can bleach some fabrics, so before you use it on the stain. If the hidden seam test goes well, here's how to proceed. Pour a small amount of hydrogen peroxide onto your clean cloth or sponge. Gently dab the stain. After dabbing, blot up the hydrogen peroxide with your clean cloth and rinse the area with cold water. Wash as usual. That's it. With a little bit of effort, you should be able to remove those pesky hair dye stains from your clothes. If you try these methods and they work for you, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.